Hello and welcome to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a brand new website in Wix. It's quick, it's free, and you don't need to know a single line of code. Here's how we're going to do it. And the first thing you need to do is log into your Wix site. If you haven't already created a Wix account, pause this video, click the link that's directly below and get your account started, and then come back here. Once you're here and open, the little blue box at the top right where it says Create New Site, click here. This now takes you to a page that gives you the option to use AI. For these tutorials, we're not going to use the AI. We're going to teach you how to do it without. You can use the AI later if you choose to. So let's click Setup Without Chat, and away we go. Now it's going to ask you what type of website you want to create. If you know already, simply click on the choice and continue. If you don't know, go down to the bottom right where it says Skip, and we'll move on. Wix is now preparing the dashboard, and in a few moments this will open up. Here we go. Wix is now asking what you'd like to call your website. If you know the name already, simply enter it in here, click Continue. If you're not sure at this stage, just come down and click Skip, and we can move on. Now Wix wants to know what's the aim of your site. What goals do you have for the site? If you know already, choose one of the boxes and continue. If you're unsure, just click Skip and we'll move on, and these are all things that we can deal with later in the dashboard. The same applies with the apps. It's unlikely at this stage you'll know what apps you need to use, so instead of continue, just click on Skip and we'll move on. That's it. Now continue to dashboard, click the box, and it's going to set this up for you. Wix is now going to set up the dashboard, and here we go, straight in. On the top right up here is a button where you'll see it says Design Site. Click on that, and again you've got an option to use AI. I would choose the Pick a Template box because that's what the basis of these tutorials is going to be about. And you can utilize AI once you're more familiar with it. And here we are. Takes you into the Picking a Template page. Here you'll find a number of templates, different options for you. You can browse through, find something that you like the look of. Once you find one, this for instance, click Edit, and Wix will now bring the components into play, into the editor, where you'll be able to make the changes that you need to make your site live. So here we are. We are in the editor. We've got the option again to use AI. Simply get rid of that for this time, and we can come to the AI at a later date. That's it. Your new website is open in the Wix Editor, ready for you to build out the site that you want. Wix does sometimes update these steps, so if you see an extra screen somewhere that isn't in this video, don't worry about it. Just make a choice or skip, and that can be changed later in the dashboard. That's it for today's tutorial. This is the Online Force, and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.